A friend of mine loaned me his reMarkable stylus. Let me show you what's going on with it. I'm going to see if I can fix it, but it kind of has a weird thing going on. Hopefully this gives you a nice view here. So check out the stylus. Pretty normal, right? But watch, without even touching, see, look, not touching the, whoa, that's weird. Okay, let's try, are you seeing that? So when I try to write, it does this. Okay, let's change the font. Whoop. Marker. No sound. That's what it should be making, the sound, but okay, let's try thick. When in doubt, create a new page. Oh yeah, that is not. So what can we do? We have one option. Buy a whole new stylus or replace the nib. So let's try that. Let's put you back in your little home. So replace the nib. Go into my magic drawer. So I used to have two reMarkable Plus styluses, but now I'm down to one, and that's why he loaned me this one. So I put that one over there. So we just use this. We slide it up. We slide it like so. Come on. Take out that nib. We put it back in the case. And now we take out a new nib, which is this one right here. Okay, let's try again, shall we? Nope. Same error. Something's wrong with the. Okay, reMarkable. There's your video. I replaced the nib and it's still not working. Would you send me a new one, please? Please. Oh, that's awful. So, whoop, come on. Nope, come on. Nope. Please.